Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best hybrid cameras that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Sony a7 IV is an impressive full-frame hybrid camera, succeeding the renowned a7 III with significant upgrades across various aspects. Boasting a new 33-megapixel full-frame XMirror CMOS sensor with backside illumination, the a7 IV delivers enhanced image quality, particularly in low-light conditions, along with reduced noise levels. Complementing the sensor is the powerful Bionz XR image processing engine, accelerating image processing speeds by up to 8 times compared to its predecessor, resulting in faster autofocus performance and overall improved image processing capabilities. Notably, the a7 IV features a sophisticated fast hybrid AF system, incorporating 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points for swift and precise autofocus, even in challenging lighting environments. The camera's real-time IAF function further enhances subject tracking, maintaining a sharp focus on subjects' eyes regardless of their position or movement. For videographers, the a7 IV supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit 420 internal recording, supplemented by the inclusion of S-Cinetone for cinematic color grading. Furthermore, the camera's 5-axis in-body image stabilization minimizes camera shake by up to 5.5 stops, facilitating smoother handheld shooting in low-light conditions or at slower shutter speeds. With its versatile performance, advanced features, and compatibility with a wide range of lenses, the Sony a7 IV emerges as a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a high-resolution hybrid agile camera system that excels in both photography and videography applications. Its compact mirrorless design, coupled with a vari-angle screen for flexible composition, further enhances its appeal as a portable yet powerful imaging tool. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Liplay is a cutting-edge hybrid instant camera that seamlessly integrates the excitement of instant film photography with modern digital conveniences. This innovative device allows users to capture images both digitally and as instant prints, offering a blend of traditional charm and contemporary functionality. Unlike conventional instant cameras, the Mini Liplay features a digital display screen for real-time preview and selection of photos before printing, ensuring every shot is just right. Its compact design and variety of color options, including blush gold, stone white, and elegant black, cater to diverse style preferences. The camera's versatility shines through its ability to print directly from the camera or wirelessly from a smartphone using Bluetooth connectivity. Users can unleash their creativity with 30 frames and 6 filters available for enhancing photos, and even add recorded sound clips to images through a unique QR code playback feature, personalizing memories with a special touch. With quick print speeds of approximately 12 seconds per image and up to 100 prints on a single charge, the Mini Liplay is ideal for spontaneous photography sessions and on-the-go adventures. Its compatibility with Fujifilm Instax Mini Film ensures high-quality instant prints that capture the essence of each moment. Additionally, the camera supports expandable memory via a microSD card and boasts an internal memory capacity for storing up to 45 images. Whether you're a photography enthusiast looking for creative expression or someone who loves the nostalgia of instant prints, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Liplay hybrid instant camera offers a delightful fusion of old-school charm and modern convenience. It's perfect for capturing memories, sharing moments, and adding a touch of magic to everyday photography experiences. The Canon EOS R8 is a remarkable full-frame hybrid mirrorless camera tailored for photography and videography enthusiasts seeking versatility and performance. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the EOS R8 delivers exceptional image quality with a wider dynamic range and improved low-light sensitivity, ideal for capturing detailed and vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. This camera excels in video capabilities, supporting oversampled 4K recording at 60 frames per second and Full HD recording at up to 180 frames per second for impressive slow-motion sequences. Its advanced autofocus system, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with deep learning AI, ensures precise subject detection and tracking in both photo and video modes, even with fast-moving subjects. Weighing just 461 grams, the EOS R8 is Canon's lightest full-frame camera, boasting a smart and compact design. It offers intelligent focusing with 4,897 autofocus points covering the entire frame, including advanced subject recognition for animals and vehicles. The camera's connectivity features, such as smartphone pairing and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, enhance usability and content sharing. With a weather-sealed construction, high-speed continuous shooting capabilities, and a user-friendly guided user interface mode, the Canon EOS R8 is a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of photography and videography needs, making it an excellent choice for creatives seeking reliability and innovation in a compact package. The Nikon Z8 Hybrid represents a significant advancement in Nikon's Z series, catering to both photographers and videographers seeking exceptional imaging capabilities in a compact lightweight package. Featuring a 45.7-megapixel FX format stacked CMOS sensor and Nikon's latest image processing engine, the Z8 delivers impressive image quality with enhanced sensitivity, particularly beneficial in challenging lighting conditions. For videographers, the Z8 stands out with its unrivaled 8K UHD video recording capability at up to 60 frames per second and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, complemented by 10-bit internal recording and ProRes RAW support, ensuring exceptional color fidelity and detail. The camera's 493-point hybrid autofocus system, incorporating subject detection and eye detection autofocus, facilitates swift and accurate focusing even in low-light situations. Designed for professional use, the Z8 boasts a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ensuring durability and reliability in demanding environments. Despite its robust build, the camera remains compact and lightweight, making it suitable for extended shooting sessions. The Z8's electronic viewfinder with 3.69 million dots offers a blackout-free real-live view, facilitating seamless composition and tracking of fast-moving subjects. Additionally, the 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD provides flexibility in capturing images from various angles. Overall, the Nikon Z8 Hybrid combines advanced imaging technologies with ergonomic design, making it an ideal choice for photographers and videographers seeking versatile performance and uncompromising quality in a portable form factor. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a highly capable mirrorless hybrid camera tailored for discerning content creators who prioritize both exceptional photo and video quality. Equipped with a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor featuring phase hybrid autofocus and powered by a new image processing engine with L2 technology, the S5 II delivers impressive image clarity and responsiveness. Notably, the S5 II introduces Panasonic's first phase hybrid autofocus system with 779-point phase detection points, ensuring swift and precise autofocus performance across various shooting scenarios. Its video capabilities are equally impressive, supporting 6K video recording for up to 30 minutes and unlimited for 2 to 10-bit C4K and 4K recording at 60 and 50 frames per second, complemented by enhanced heat dissipation for prolonged shooting sessions. In addition to its advanced imaging capabilities, the Lumix S5 II features a compact and lightweight body, 5-axis in-body image stabilization for steady shots, a high-resolution OLED viewfinder for accurate framing, and a fully articulating touchscreen display for intuitive control and composition flexibility. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II stands out as a versatile and capable hybrid camera, offering outstanding image quality, rapid autofocus functionality, and advanced video recording capabilities, making it an excellent choice for photographers and videographers seeking a hybrid camera that excels in diverse shooting environments.